Neil Cruz. I'd say I want to check the
Calls were questionable.
that's a nice polite way of saying it. This one belted deep right field. Right fielder doesn't even move. Riley Greene crushes it and it's gone. Touch of all time, Riley Greene. That's number 7 on the year. And the Seawolves are on the board. A good start to the Erie first as Riley Greene with his 7th homer. Here's Ryan Kreidler. But that ball was crushed from Riley Greene. Pitch to Kreidler, taken inside, and that's ball 1.
So they keep equipment for the field in that building across Holland, right?